So hello everyone, it's me again, Kuya Daniel, and ganito wala lang kasi akong cellphone holder ngayon na bali yung ano ko. So medyo nanginginig tong kamay ko. So laro tayo for 5 minutes, no. So paano ba maglaro ng blackjack? So this is only a demo play, no. For example, we have 250,000 and we play to the max bet of 5,000. 3 hands. Turuan ko kayo. So pag blackjack na, no, hindi ka nabubunot, panalo na kagad yan. As long as hindi rin blackjack yung kalaban. So kapag 2 yung kalaban at 20 ka na, no need na, stand na yan. 13 against 2, stay and pray ka na lang. 10. So panalo tayong lahat. So panalo tayo ng 17-5 agad, no? So play lang tayo ng play. As a professional blackjack player, insurance is always a no. Kahit mag-blackjack siya, okay lang yan. Never buy insurance, okay? Ayos na naman siya. No! Okay, no lang yan kasi side bet siya eh. So ganito 14 against 3, it's a no. Let it bust. 13 against 3, let it bust. Stay and pray ulit. So diba, yan. So nabawi natin yung talo, bawi tayo ulit. Ito mga to, pwede nyo i-double against 5. Why? It is a busting card. So, soft 18 is a double. Soft 15 or 5 is a double. 9 against 5 is a double. Stay and pray. 10, 8, 9, 10. Patay. Talo. Okay, yun. May nabawi tayo. 10. Talo. Talo tayo ng isang double. Okay lang yan. But in actual, isang ow! Ang tindi ng blackjack ng kalaban. So pag 20 ka na against 10, stay na yan. Ito, lakasan ng laloob. Double na. Ay, shit! Ito ang double dapat natin. Double na rin natin yan. Ace. Putang ina. 4. 18, sayang bro. Aray daw, sabi ng asawa ko. Ace na naman. No tayo dyan. Blackjack, tindi mo boy. Okay, 16 against 2 is a stay. Never double. Soft 17, 2. Hit lang tayo. Stand down. Ito pwede itong i-double eh. 10. Ang alat naman ng turo ko sa inyo. So, try natin i-refresh lang. So, maganda rito sa part na to, pwede ka maglaro ng hindi totoong pera. 11 against 4 is a double. 15 to 4 stand. Sige, double din natin ito. 10, 19. So, nakuha natin ito. Bayad ito. O, yun. Wala na tayo. Picture. 7 against 4 is a hit only. Stay na tayo dyan. Pwede natin i-double to kasi nagiging busting card yan. 9 against 4, pwede naman i-double yan. Okay. Good, perfect. 10. Talo lang tayo ng isa. small. Putik na yan, oh. Alat. So anyway, sige, isa pa last. Stay na yan. Never split tens. 16 versus 6 is a stay. Stand. Ito double to. Picture. Ay, 19 na naman. So break even tayo dito. Talo tayo dito. And that's all for today.